excited tayo. Bagbahan na yung bako.
So, we have blind boxes. This is the Labubus. Mali lang yung spelling. So, let's unbox it. Not this one with the Labubus. First, we have to see what it's in. So, let's start all of them. I have the rarest one. It's orange and yellow. Later natin ilalaban. Papakita ko sa inyo. We have the rarest one. It's the rainbow. The last thing is, where is it? So we have pink. Sorry guys, Mama took the phone. So pink, but it's epic. So let's put them on this boxes. Are you excited to see my Labubus? Okay, first, so we have this rare one. See? Labubu! Wait lang. So next is pink. It's kind of epic. The last one, rarest one, is rainbow. So bye-bye. Wait. So bye-bye. You made this. It's so easy. You just only need tape.